Hello guys, welcome to Online Cash. On this channel we'll talk about how to make money easily online. Today we'll be talking about a platform called gpto.ng. So it's a platform where you do simple tasks and you get paid for it. Okay, let's just wait for the stuff to load, the human verification, so that I can take you through the app and how it works and how you can make money easily online with it. So it's taking much time, and I'll just pause the video so that after verifying I'll come back. I will start the video. So if you tap the link at the description section of this video, it will take you straight to this place you are seeing now. So most times this place takes time to load. So as you can see, it's taking time to load. So most times you just have to have patience with the platform. So we have logged into the platform, and here is the dashboard. So after you use the link at the description section of this video or at the comment section of this video, after registering, you it will bring you to this dashboard. So you can see my name, the balance, and I've not done any tax actually. This is like for the registration, I think so. Or okay, for daily checking. So there's it. Incoming. So you can see 10 energy, 100 energy gives 10 naira, and you can see zero referrals and all of that. Last claim 7. So you can see daily bonus. That is where I got my daily bonus. That is where I got my um 1 naira from. And so let's go straight to how you can earn on this platform. Number one way you can earn on this platform is by PTC, or let's start from offer wars first. So offer wars is mainly, like I said, you do tax on this platform. So you can go time off, you can go um bitco tax.com, you can go extensive, but I'm not earning through this medium. So the easier way, or the easiest way to earn from this platform is by PTC. So this is the PTC where you just watch it of, you can see the first aid is 2 seconds and you're getting 0.18 naira. Second aid and 60 seconds, you're getting 4 naira. So this can make you about 2,000 naira daily if you do all the tasks. It's just for a few minutes. So after doing this once, you come here again and you tap on tax. So this is where you mainly get the main tax from. So just wait for it to load. Mm, So you can see tax 200 naira and one energy. So you read it as the gram token, um, the gram token airdrop, but so it's just for you to join the airdrop, and you'll be given 200 naira. You can see social earning 150 naira, 100 naira, 70 naira. You can see all these tax FCN sign up. So you just sign up on FCN and you'll be getting, and I've talked about FCN on my channel before. So to sign up on it, you are getting 16 naira, daily claim 15 naira. So you can see all these tax. So you can end up making at least if you take this platform serious, you will end up making at least 2,000 naira every single day, because this tax refresh every single day. So you can end up making at least 2,000 naira. And if you can invite your friends and all of that, you'll be getting at least 5,000 naira in a day. You can see the tax, they are much. So let me see if I can see the. So there's it. So another way you can earn on this platform is by coupon. But so I don't know how this coupon code works, so I don't really earn through that one. And we'll come next to referral. So you can see earn through referral. When you refer a friend, you get up to 5% from the friend's tax. The friend's earning, you earn up to 5% from every referral you do. So that is it. And lastly, another way you can earn, because you can earn multiple ways from this platform. So another way you can earn is short links. Short links, you can see that um you can see if you tap on claim, what you just have to do is to um watch a short aid. It's not actually a video, it's like picture. So you just watch it, you just look at it for some minutes, and you can claim the coins. And you can see that is the multiple ways you can earn from this platform. And that is all for today. If you have any question about this platform, just put it in the comment section. And if you want more of this video, like and subscribe. Thank you.